Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to connect ReSound hearing aids to iPhone. We'll take things step by step. If you need to, feel free to pause the video. Before we get started, be sure to have the ReSound Smart app already downloaded and installed onto your device from the App Store. First, open Settings. Then, scroll down to Accessibility. Remove the hearing aids from the charging dock. Then, find Hearing Devices. Once your iPhone has found the hearing device, select it. Your iPhone will ask you if you would like to pair both hearing devices individually. Select Pair for both. When both hearing aids are connected, return to the home screen and open the ReSound Smart app. Select Yes, Connect Now to start. Accept the terms and conditions. Select your notification preference. Select Allow to connect Bluetooth. Select Allow to connect Bluetooth. Select Continue. Please wait for the connection to be made. Select OK. Place the hearing aids back into the charging dock. Select Continue. Remove the hearing aids from the charging dock. Select Continue. Please wait for the connection to be made. Select Start to finish connecting. Your hearing aids are now connected. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.